This farmyard scene has a strong shadow, strong light areas, and a focal point of sunlit boards leaning up against a woodshed. Gouache and watercolor limited to Hansa yellow, red iron oxide, dioxazine purple, and white. Then scrubbing in this tone across the whole thing, because that way the whites will pop. What's the darkest dark and the lightest light? The darkest dark is that dark area underneath that eave. It's not even getting any reflected light, so it's almost black, but not quite black. I want to keep some character in those darks, so I can use the violet for a cool dark and transparent red oxide for a warm dark. With limited time and changing light, I remind myself that the viewer's eye fills in the missing details, so you don't really need that much detail in a scene like this. If you're new to my channel, thanks for visiting, and have a look around. I got a whole lot of videos on gouache.